If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's Tamika and I am here with an Alina design team project. Today I am going to work with this sparkle die, really cute, versatile die. I love the size of this, and I'm also going to be working with some hot foil roll. This is 15 centimeter by 3 meter, and it has this beautiful rainbow ombre effect. So we're going to make a quick shaker card, so let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is die cut my sparkle out on my inkjet paper, and I have a tutorial on how I foil with this paper and what I do and all that kind of stuff. I will link that down below in the description box. So I'm just going to use my diamond press here to die cut this word out. Cuts out really, really nicely in one pass. Really cute. Look how nice that is. Super awesome. All right, now I'm just going to take a piece of foil, and I want it to go across this way. So what I'm going to do is just even this out and save that for later, and then do another cut. Oops. I obviously don't have the best scissors here. That should fit over the, yep, it fits over the top of that. I'm just going to put this back and save it for later, back in the wrapping. All right, the next thing you want to do is run it through your laminator, and I run mine through twice just to be sure. I always make sure that my laminator is nice and hot. That's going to go right on top of there. Make sure it covers the whole thing. All right, so I have my laminator on, and I'm going to roll this through, and I will link below where I got my laminate from. It's just, I got it from Amazon. So it's a really nice laminate. I've had it for quite a few years now. I'm going to roll it through one more time. All right, that's done. I've rolled it through twice, and all you have to do is go ahead and peel this off. Really cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Super, super pretty. Really cute. So I always keep this carrier sheet. If it starts to get kind of mucky, you can go ahead and get another one, but this is just a sheet of typing paper. You can also use vellum. All right, I'm going to make a mini slimline shaker card, and I created this card base on my Silhouette software. So I have my base here. It's cut out to about 6 by 6, scored in half, so about 3 by 6. And then I have my layering pieces. I'm using 110-pound weight white cardstock. I'll have that link down below as well. And I've cut this out 6 times. And then I'm going to cover it with a glitter paper that I have in my stash to cover the top. And I also have a cute frame that I've cut out in this piece of glitter paper. And I use an SVG file that I got from my online software as well. I have cut out a cute little gold frame just to add, a lot of sparkle. And I have my acetate pieces here ready to go. I also have already done my shaker mix, and that just has all of the colors of the foil from Alina's die there, the sparkle. And then I have my offset pieces, which I'm thinking I'm just going to layer on the back and then put the extra in my bin to use later. So let's go ahead and put this together. Forgot to mention that I did cut another layering piece for the back of the card just to create a little bit more sturdiness, since the front will be heavily layered with the offset pieces and the sequin mix. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the card, and I added perforated marks, so this will be a lot easier when you're doing, especially when you're doing heavyweight cardstock. Okay. I'm going to add some double-sided tape to the back of this. All right, I'm just going to lay that on the back here, and it's offset just a little bit. Lay that on the back. And then while I'm back here, I'm going to go ahead and lay my pieces. I think I'll do the gold here, and then I'll use one of the inner pieces from the window here as that. So, or maybe I'll just know, because I want to be able to write on there, and I can't write on this gold. So I'll make the white one just a smidge shorter. Use up all of my scraps here. So I'm going to copy this gold one exactly first. And then I'm just going to trim it down a little bit on both sides. All right, add a little double-sided tape to that and center that right on here. Just like so. And then I'm going to glue the back of this to that glitter. So don't know if it will hold with the double-sided tape. So I'm going to glue this to here. And then I'm just going to glue this whole section to the back. Easy peasy. And then this is a quick little way, one, to use your scraps, and two, to write a message on here, because we won't be able to write a message on the inside. Okay, I'm going to use the inside of what I used to create this and put that on the center here so it can have a nice little background. I kind of want to center that right in the middle. And lay that down. And there we have that. Cute. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is lay down the first level of acetate here. Okay, I'm going to lay this right on top. Just being careful here. All right, I have the acetate on there. And then I'm just going to start building my layers here. So I want to make sure I have them all lined up correctly. And that's going to go right on top. So what I'll do now is just add wet glue to the perimeter here. And then add the layer right on top. Just making sure everything is as square as it can be. And I'm going to do that for the rest of them, and I'll be back. All right, that's all done. Looks like one piece, doesn't it? But it's not. Nice and thick. So I'm going to add this to the top of that frame there. And make sure I get a nice heavy amount and line that up like so. All right, and this is what you should have. Everything all lined up. Turning out super cute. And now we're going to add our mix to the inside. I have some sequin mix from Ariel's shop, or some sequin from Ariel's shop, Creative Wholesale Mojo Studio. I used a ton of her colors, the magenta, those little flower cups, white, purple, pink, lots of her colors, red. I've added some seed beads from my stash. All right, I think that looks good. Nice little movement there. Beautiful colors. So now I'm going to take the double-sided tape off this top layer of acetate, and I'm going to lay it on top. And then I'm just going to secure that with my bone folder. Super cute. Cute. I love it. This looks like a little box. All right. And then we just want to go ahead and add this little piece. It's kind of like I'm using it as a frame to bring in the little gold and everything on there. So I'm going to go ahead and add some adhesive to this little frame here. All right. And then just put that right there in the window. Okay. Love, love, love. And then we're going to add the top part here. Looking good, looking good. And then go ahead and adhere that down. Make sure everything is all lined up. Really cute. Love it. And then we're going to add the frame, but I'm going to attach this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, I am going to take on the tedious task of trying to just follow these little humps here. I know that my frame doesn't fit the entire perimeter. There's some leftover, so I'm just going to kind of scrape around just a little bit over it as well. And not get the ends. That should do it. Okay. And then just drop that on there. How cute is that? Just want to make sure we get her as even as possible. Really, really, really cute. And I'm just going around here. This glue dries clear. Just want to make sure it stays in place while it's drying, and it doesn't take a long time to dry. Cute. And then last but not least, we're going to add this sparkle, and I'm going to add some spray glue on here, so I'll be right back. All right, spray glue is added. Let it get a little tacky. And then I'm going to center that. Once you put it down, that's it. Make sure that's where you want to go. And I'm going to use that, this little cover sheet here to kind of seal that down so my fingers don't get on the acetate. Perfect. Oh my gosh, it's super cute. Super, super pretty. Sparkle. And then you just leave that like that. I mean, you can add gems. I mean, you can really bling this thing out if you want to. Add little, tiny little gems to the edge. Really cute. That's on the inside. And then you have your back where you can put the little message here. Adorable. All right, guys. I had to make another one because it's so cute. One is going out, and I just needed one for myself. Sparkles, sparkles everywhere. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. I will have the links down below in the description box for the products that I use. Be sure to check that out. This has been an Alina Cuddle Design Team project. Like the video if you like it, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.